Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to remove background in Premiere Pro. Now first you want to go and open the Premiere Pro software on your PC. Then you want to go to projects and import your video that you want to remove the background from. So let's say that I have this video, you should highlight it like so, then go and select this tool, Object Mask tool, select it, then go and click on the object that you want to track or the object that you want to select or you want to remove the background from it. So I'm going to select this man right here, just like so. And now what you should do is to go to Effects Controls, then go and click on this option or this button, Track Selected Mask Forward and Backward. So I'm going to click on it. It will start analyzing. You should wait for a couple of seconds till it's finished. And here it shows you the estimated time needed for the process to be completed. And now after analyzing, you should drag this option or object mask like so and drag it like so till you get here to opacity, drag it below the opacity. And here, as you can see, I have deleted the background. And now here is the man without the background. And now it plays just like so. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.